Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Algorand, the transition of finance. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees. So do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got an astonishing $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets. Anyways, let's see what's happening with Algo in real time, folks. Any new information and post for us in the Algo community and official handles. Let's find out. Guys, let's first check out what the the official handle is up to, and then we can go on and see what is new for us in the community sphere. Okay, 2 hours ago, Algorand Foundation. The Algo community fixed it. Algorand, it just works. ICYMI fees are 0.001 Algo. So for $28, you could have done over 100,000 transactions. Look at this. Remember the feeling of discovering something that just works? That moment you realize you can do it all yourself, free from middlemen, just you, your wallet, and countless possibilities. So this is what crypto is. This is what Algorand is, folks. Anyways, just a moment, let me pause this. Has Algorand
functionally solved the trilemma, as in it's close enough to checking the boxes that you could say that? I think in all.
So yeah, let's see what John Woods, the CTO over here, has to say. Just a moment.
When I hear solving the trilemma, I think unless you're maximally fast, i.e. you're sending transactions at the speed of light, and you're maximally decentralized, i.e. every person on Earth is running a node, and you're maximally scalable, so like basically you can meet intergalactic requirements for transaction execution, I don't think anyone's really solved something fully. What you'll find is, I think Algorand has functionally solved the trilemma, as in it's close enough to checking the boxes that you could say that. I think in all systems, in all software, in all products, there's design choices. And when you twist this knob to make it super, super decentralized, another knob moves on its own. You make it more decentralized, you'll find the speed maybe comes down a little bit. You turn the speed up and then you'll find that it's not so reliable, as we've seen with, say, Solana, which is super fast in many ways, but has had issues falling over. And so we should stop striving for solving it and try to build platforms that are great to use. When I hear solving.
So folks, Mr. John Woods over here says that Algorand is checking all the boxes basically. So this is great. What else do we have? Algorand's speed isn't just a claim, it is battle tested. While we state 10,000 TPS, we've already surpassed this in real world performance and still zero downtime. So you've seen Solana. If it is an example of downtimes, and you can see that Algorand claims that it has zero downtime. Not even claims, I think it is obviously a fact. Okay, if speed, efficiency, and reliability matter, you know where to look. Awesome. And these are real time, folks. Spot TPS 13,561, 12,010. Okay. Recently, Eureka, okay, interesting name. Decarbonizing the future. Our mission is to provide a platform for everyone to offset their climate impact through innovative technology. They hosted the Prime Minister of Mongolia at their coal to solar project site with the United Nations Development Program, Mongolia, UN Development. This is awesome. Working to end poverty, inequality, and climate change. UNDP is obviously a renowned organization working throughout the globe, folks. and they are basically using Algorand. Eureka enables households to sell verified emissions reduction certificates, helping finance the transition to clean energy. So Algorand seems to be that new transition of finance. It is helping finance achieve these great goals like clean energy and other stuff. And look at this. If we decode from this message over here that even Prime Minister of Mongolia, the state, now they are involved. United Nations Development Program, UNDP. These are renowned brands, folks. Institutions throughout the globe, organizations across the globe, folks. It doesn't get any bigger than the United Nations. It is an IGO, an intergovernment organization, and it has various member states involved, and it wouldn't just be rubbing shoulders with the companies that are up to no good. And at least this is how I perceive it. And Algorand, if it wouldn't have been providing some real legit use case, I don't think that these institutions would be associating themselves with it. So I think that this is good. And look at this: transitions, innovations, creativity, all part and parcel of Algorand. Look at this. Algorand can restore trust in carbon markets and incentivize a sustainable energy use case. Putting treasury transactions on chain, you need a reliable, fast, secure blockchain, one with zero downtime, instant finality, and quantum secure chain history. I mean, that is awesome, which is also capable of handling thousands of transactions per second with ease. Algorand seems like the right choice. I mean, this is awesome. Department of the Treasury. Big developments are on the horizon for Algorand in Nigeria. We talked about Mongolia, and now we're coming to Africa, Nigeria. In a session with Algorand Foundation delegates, Dr. Emo Motimi Agama, pardon me for the pronunciation, Nigerian SEC Director General, highlighted that blockchain technology will boost efficiency and aid capital market regulation. Now, states, governments, different countries are getting interested in blockchain technology and how it can benefit them as a whole, their departments, their institutions, their economy, their financial infrastructure. And I really think that it is good. And blockchain can indeed boost efficiency, that's for sure. Immutable, traceable. It is already decent technology, folks. It hasn't been truly used to its full potential, and let's hope that projects like Algorand help in this transition of finance. Over two-thirds of the top 60 CMC blockchains have already experienced network downtime or inaccessibility. Reliability is the key. Look at this. Which blockchain DLT among the top 60 has never experienced network downtime or inaccessibility? A handful of names over here, folks. Even XRP, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they have all faced downtime. Binance over here, Cardano, Tron, Litecoin, Near Protocol. I think these are some of the few that haven't faced downtime. This is VeChain, Internet Computer, and Algorand, folks. So this is awesome. Okay, so even Caspa has faced downtime. I mean, I do not know the relevancy of this post over here, Stellar, HBAR, we cover both of them. I do not know the relevancy of this post, but from the looks of it, you can see that Algorand hasn't ever faced downtime. So this is awesome. Okay, so let's see now what is happening with the community as well, folks. Algorand, by the way, is up 7% for the day in the last 24 hours. The price is almost 29 cents, folks. This is great. Coinvo over here 1 hour ago. Is anyone paying attention to this Algo double bottom? Look at this. This is 1 hour ago, by the way. Double bottom going up, testing this resistance. Okay, it broke through, came back down, if you remember, came down. Let's hope that it breaks through this again and goes up. This is what we're interested in. This is great. Algorand has had this really decent little rally over here now. Awesome. GM, Algo fam. The chart looks good here, so I'm loading up on more Algo. Get ready to face for a face melting rally. This is great. Yeah, awesome chart. It is basically testing the support level over here, and it all depends if the price goes up from here, folks. It has the potential to go up. Obviously, anything can happen. It can break through this break through this support over here as well. So we should be prepared for the worst and hope for the best. Obviously, prepared for worst, hope for best. Let's hope that we go higher. It's higher if we do the SR flip. I agree. This is what I'm talking about. If we flip this one, if we go up and this becomes the new support base, I think the price can go up and it might test the 60 cents level over here. Certainly possible, but depends on momentum. It depends on the market as well. Recently, market has been a bit choppy, so let's hope that Algorand goes up. I 100% believe that memes will go right back up when the price of Algo does. This me right now. Okay. The Algo memes also will pick up, obviously, if Algo picks up. Finally, someone said it. It's my top pick right now. Algorand greater than Solana. Fight me. Let's see what the people have commented down. Always has been the top pick. True that. The shift is coming. Can you feel it? Okay, have a look on Cat. Yeah, facts. I think we should start this trend. This also seems like a catchy name for the title. The shift is coming. Awesome. The people's champ, Algo. Finally, someone with some sense in this market. Someone's finally speaking the truth. True that, fact over fact. I think it is filled with the Algo community over here. Look at this. Algo is certainly, yeah, so Algo certainly has a really, really great community, folks. Been watching Gala and Sand. Okay. Anyways, folks, what do you guys think about Algorand and this new transition of finance? Do you think a shift is coming? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.